Today, we're viewing one of Gerald Mitchell's most popular models, the Kinsac, and for just under $850,000, it could be yours. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm John Murray, a realtor here in Halifax with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now, what we do on my channel is I visit all the new developments going up all around and outside the city of Halifax and give you new construction home doors so you can learn the models and the builders. If that's something you're interested in, or you're thinking of moving, buying, or selling, do me a huge favor, hit the like, notification, and subscribe buttons so you can stay up to date with everything that's happening all around Halifax. I'm here today in the heart of Lost Creek, a premier lifestyle subdivision in Beaver Bank. Now, if you're not sure where this is, we are about 35 kilometers northeast of Halifax. It's about 35-minute drive to the downtown core, so 25 minutes into Dartmouth, and only about 25 minutes to the airport as well. Now, if you're trying to access here, you're going to take the 101 and get off exit 2, and then it's a straight 9-kilometer shot just up Beaver Bank Road. Now, for your daily needs, you're literally only about a 10-minute drive from the main commercial hub of Sackville. That's where your Atlantic Superstore, your Canadian Tire, lots of gyms, movie theaters, restaurants, you name it. It's just a 10-minute drive away. Now, the anchor of this community is definitely the Lost Creek Golf Club. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the sign here. It's an 18-hole public course that's just a 3-minute drive away from most of the new houses in this subdivision. The Lost Creek vibe is definitely about space and privacy, with most lots being wooded and at least 1 acre of space. While it's a planned community, the wide setbacks and winding roads give it a quiet, country-like feel that is perfect for families. Now, when you're in subdivisions like this with lots of acreage outside of the city, you are going to be on well and septic, and as I always say, that's nothing for you to worry about whatsoever. Basically, you can forget about your municipal water bill every month because you're not going to have to pay one. And having a brand new septic system gives you 25 to 30 years of self-assurance as long as you take good care of it and know what to flush down the toilet. Now, lastly, I'm going to put the schools for the neighborhood up on the screen for you to see. And as always, if you have any questions for me at all about the area, just reach out, and I hope you enjoy the home tours. So before we go in to check out the Kinsac model behind me, Gerald Mitchell Contracting does have a Kingswood floor plan available in the subdivision right now as well. It is March 2nd, 2026, so there is a chance by the time you see the video, both homes could be sold. If that's the case, don't worry. They do build them here and they do build them in other areas. So if you want to find out more, if you do like the model, just reach out. And as a reminder, I don't represent any of the builders on the channel. I have great relationships with them and their listing agents to help provide you, the viewer, these wonderful tours. So please reach out with any questions, and I hope you enjoy. All right, so today we are checking out one of Gerald Mitchell's most popular models, the Kinsac. Okay, it's a 2-story home. As you can see, 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. It's a little over 3,000 square feet, 3,055 to be exact. And it's sitting on a 2-acre lot out here in Beaver Bank, but they do build this in quite a few different areas. So if you like it, just let me know. It's priced at $849,900. And we're going to go on in. So we have a nice covered entryway here, front deck, front porch. It is wood, but nice place to sit out and enjoy a drink or some coffee. Now this lot, there is a driveway going down, okay, but it's not too steep. And again, the focus of the video is more about to see the model of the house for if you ever want it, whether it's in this neighborhood or in other neighborhoods. So really just focusing on the home. Don't mind my stomping, I'm just stomping off my snow before I go in. All right, so as we enter the home, right to the left is a powder room. Going in. Tile flooring, laminate throughout, and hardwood on the stairs. Get that out of the way now. You have a tiny closet here. Just off the powder room. Some French doors here to the right, which has this wonderful space right in the front of the house. Could be used for all kinds of purposes. If you have a very young children, could be a playroom, could be an office, tons of different ideas. Could be a dining room, really big, a lot of space, nice light coming in. You also have a closet right here to the left. Again, this is electric heating. There are baseboards, as you can see, and a ductless heat pumps throughout the house, which I'll explain. You can get a look at your closet there. Now, as we come in, I chose to use the front door. I think a lot of the time you would probably use your garage, so I'm gonna fly over there quickly. I'm gonna bypass the kitchen and come back to it, but as you can see, it just opens right up here. Give you a kind of a look around. We will come right back to this room, so don't worry. But I wanted to show you your other entrance. So right here is your garage. So in weather like this where it is snowy, I would imagine you're more likely to actually use this as your entrance because you do have the side door over there. And it comes into this wonderful mudroom. So you've got some lockers here. I like to call it lockers. Hang your coats and your boots, and a nice big deep closet right ahead of me as well. So you can see lots of space for all your coats and everything you need. And then it does go out right to your back deck here. Okay. As you can see all the snow we've gotten. That's probably 2 feet of snow. That's an accumulation from all of February into March. He does have glass there. I'm not sure if you can see with the reflection because I obviously can't go out on the deck. Really beautiful. All the wood, nice wood at lots here too out in Beaver Bank. So there's your ductless heat pump. Again, as I always explain, they are gonna cool your house in the summer, heat it in the winter. There's only a few days a year where it's too cold to really run them. They're very efficient and they help keep your power bills down. Fireplace is propane. So if you're not familiar with how that works, here you typically rent a propane tank for the year, somewhere between $100 and $150, and then you just pay for refills. A very large kitchen island here. Nice tile backsplash. All the way to the ceiling, these cupboards. They are soft close as well, as you can see. Okay, space for your dishwasher will go here. Again, appliances are not included. There's place for your stove and place for a nice big fridge here. Now, along with this wonderful kitchen, we have a nice big walk-in pantry. Come back a little bit. As you can see, you can walk right in. Now, if this is your first time watching my channel and you are curious about not only new construction, but resale as well, I help people just like you every week, so don't be shy to reach out. If you've never been to look at new construction homes, I'd be honored to take you to your first visit and kind of walk you through the process. But as I always say as well, if you do have a realtor already, bring them, that's cool too. I just want to be helpful with these tours and give you an eye on all the product. So let's go downstairs. Opens up into this very, very big rec room, family room, all kinds of different ideas, whatever you would use it for. TV room. There's another heat pump. Great to see them on different levels. You're gonna see one up in the primary bedroom as well when we get up there. You got slider doors out here to your backyard. This is going to slope down. We've got some bonus storage room here. Nice and deep. That's not the only area. The one thing I really love about this house is there is so much storage. Speaking of which, straight ahead here, you have another storage closet or storage room. Okay, over to the right is your utility room. Okay, you can see everything for your well there, your hot water tank, your air exchanger, and your clean out. So we're facing back toward the rec room. Over to the right here is a bedroom. This will be your 4th bedroom. Really good size, it's quite big. Really big room. Again, it's not always easy for you to capture how big these rooms are when there's no furniture in them on these tours. So I want to be honest when I'm describing them if they're, you know, quite spacious. If you want the floor plans, just reach out to me as well. My information is going to be on screen and I will happily get them over to you for this build. Okay, we also have a 4-piece bathroom down here. Really nice. So a lot of different options you could use down here in this area, obviously. You can create a little, I don't want to say guest suite, but I guess you could if you really wanted to. It doesn't have the plumbing for it, but just a great place for your family and friends or visitors or kids to play, whatever you really need it for. Tons of space. Very nice finishings in these Gerald Mitchell homes, as always. So we have wraparound stairs here to go upstairs. Again, just for context, just come out of the kitchen, over by the fireplace. They are nice and wide. Should be easy to move furniture in. I'm gonna go on up. So right at the top of the stairs is your main bath for the upper level. Over to the right is gonna be the primary. Bedroom 2, linen closet, laundry room, bedroom 3. Here's your full main bath. Good sized rooms. Bedroom 2. Idea of the closet space. Nice big windows out to the front of the house. So the primary would be at the back of the house on these builds. It's your linen closet. You'll have a dedicated laundry room here with a set tub. Or a nice sink, sorry, not a set tub. So used to seeing them in the garage. Nice tile flooring. Don't know if you're catching. Space for your washer and dryer there. 3rd bedroom here, also good size. And nice big windows, baseboard heating in here. And your closet. And let's go over to the primary. So you can really tell why this is one of their most popular models. It is big, it's open, it's spacious, the finishings are nice. They do a really good job. There's your heat pump in your primary. I'm gonna give you some. So it's actually quite deep. So it's a really big room, lots of space. Huge windows over here facing the back of the property. You have a ceiling fan as well as baseboard heating and your heat pump. We have our walk-in closet, nice and large. Your attic access is in here as well. And finally, your custom ensuite bathroom. So this is going to have a double vanity as you come in. Nice tile work up through the standing shower. Beautiful. and some windows facing out to the back. So yes, that is it for their Kinsac floor plan. Again, they do build this in various areas and it is their most popular model. So please let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any questions, just reach out and I will happily answer them. And if not, I will see you on the next tour. Have a great day.